Hello viewers. Have you ever wondered how one person can change the world? Today, we're going to explore the story of a man who didn't just dream, he transformed reality. A boy from South Africa who at the age of 12 sold his first computer game has now reshaped the Earth, space, and the internet. This is Elon Musk, and these are the 3 decisions that changed the course of the world. Decision 1. Tesla, the electric revolution. When the world said electric cars will never work, Musk replied, "Then I'll make them work." In 2008, Tesla was on the brink of collapse. Musk invested his last personal funds. Even his rent money was gone. Today, Tesla has redefined the automotive industry. This decision was risk everything for what you believe in. Decision 2. SpaceX, making the impossible possible. When rockets repeatedly failed, Musk said, "We will make it happen." 3 failures, the 4th launch succeeded, and that moment changed space travel forever. Today, SpaceX not only launches repeatedly into space, but is preparing humanity for Mars. This decision was fail again and again until success becomes your habit. Decision 3. Starlink, connecting the world. Musk realized millions of people still lack internet access. He launched thousands of satellites into space to bring connectivity to every corner of the Earth. Today, Starlink keeps remote areas connected, even during disasters or blackouts. This decision was connect the world, even from space. And finally, remember Musk's words. If something is important enough, you do it, even if the odds are against you. Only those who do not fear failure achieve the biggest dreams. So viewers, these were the 3 decisions of Elon Musk, decisions that changed the world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Attawa Times.